Okay, this is unit A. We'll have to fix the canopy out front. We want to rip this carpet out and probably put in some vinyl. We want to replace this countertop. Everything else in the kitchen seems to be all right, except this FRP needs to be fixed back in place. Not sure what's going on. Oh, okay, that's actually the angle it's supposed to be at. We'll go up the stairs first. Might want to refresh the outlets in here. They seem pretty nasty. This is gonna need fixed. Maybe just a new vent cover. Okay, that's a fairly simple fix. Right there, I don't know, maybe some, just mud and tape and paint or something. This crack in the wall right here, we probably need to fix anyway.
These people think I'm just dumb.
This is the downstairs bedroom. This decent closet in here. And again, rip out the carpet.
I'm not meeting you at 8:30 p.m. to collect $400 money order. You should have left it in your apartment like I instructed, or you can mail it to the office.
I think if we could just dig out this old silicone and redo that, or even just put a piece of trim, like a little 1x1 down there, and then re-silicone that. The sink probably needs to be re-siliconed anyway. Other than that, it works fine. That looks fine. This surround might need replaced. I was hoping not to replace them. The tub I think we can salvage with maybe some refinishing stuff and good deep cleaning. And of course we're going to be taking out this grout. Maybe a little paint or something here. Maybe just some window trim, I don't know. Oh, and we got this down here. Cracked all the way up there. I don't know, maybe just throw some FRP all the way around. Call it good.